Today we're going to make an origami notebook. This origami notebook is very easy. You fold it one long ways, turn the paper and fold it one fat ways, and then back again like this. It's already easily in half, and so you just fold it again in half. Then you have it to open out, turn it back again in fat ways. You find your scissors. And origami starts to be called kirigami when you cut it. Can you see that point there? I'm going to put a dot on there. That's where I'm going to cut down to, just halfway, and I'm going to cut on the line. Then I'm going to put it up like that and get my fingers, can you see my fingers on both of the edges like that? I'm going to push it together, bring my fingers down to the middle of the book and turn it in. Now I have an origami book, and I'm going to write on it in pencil because pencil makes such beautiful marks on a page. I'm going to draw the treble clef on the front because it's my music booklet. And I'm going to turn it over to the back and I'm going to draw a bass clef on the back. And in the middle of the book, I'm going to write all those lovely notes that we learnt. I'm going to start with Mrs. Minham. Here she is. Remember, she has that baby in her tummy, so she doesn't want to be touched because we can't colour her in because the baby has a heartbeat and she has a heartbeat. She's got beautiful hair. And then I'm going to draw Mr. Crotchet, who she's married to. And Mr. Crotchet is coloured in. He has to shine his shoes every day before he goes to work, and he only goes for one beat. These are his shoelaces. And their children are called the quavers. So the quavers also have to shine their shoes before they go to school. And they hold hands and go for half a beat. And I'm going to draw their bodies to help you remember that the quavers hold hands and go for half a beat. And the elder of the family is called Grandpa Semi-Breve. Mr. Grandpa Semi-Breve goes for 4 counts, and he, remember, is not that happy because he's got so old and cranky he has to walk slowly and take 4 beats.